She went into the house. And the end of the story. Ran away. I'll go next. I have ate porridge. I have sat on a chair. I have slept on a bed. I have a house.
And what job was yours?
Real life connector. I saw it. I am a story connector. I saw a book with a baby, and it has bears in this book too. Bye. I am the word wizard. Answer, bull, right, medium, owners, someone,
Now, do you know all the meanings of those words?
Answer means put something in a bowl. Right means like you go right. Medium means it's a normal. I have not I get someone. Someone he has fat. It means by the way that the stranger's been in the house. Jump means you go in the air and go